From peace, serenity and enlightenment to fast-paced, bustling cities, street food, tuk-tuk taxis and white sand beaches, Thailand is a kaleidoscope of different sights and smells, from the bustling street food markets and bright lights of Bangkok City to the creamy coconut curries enjoyed by the beach in the coastal areas to the south. Such an impressive palette shows why Thailand is Southeast Asia's most popular travel destination, and its unique position in the world, bordering Laos, Myanmar and Cambodia in the north, and Malaysia and Java in the south, make this country a culinary melting pot of different amazing cuisine. Famous the world over, let's dive headfirst into the colours, flavours, smells and spice of Thai cuisine. In 2007, no less than 7 Thai dishes appeared on a list of the world's 50 best foods. And Thailand appeared on this list more times than any other country, which goes to show that it offers a recipe book way above and beyond just the Thai green and the Thai red curry. And the style of Thai cooking centres around a delicate balance of aromatic ingredients with a unique spicy edge. The south takes its influence from Malaysia and Java, where the chili pepper is king, but it also receives much more rain than its northern neighbours, which means just one thing: more coconuts. Sweet coconut with its gorgeous creamy texture is used in dishes such as the Massaman curry and Panyang, and it's used to cool the fiery heat of the spicy chili edge. But it wouldn't be a trip to Southeast Asia if we didn't celebrate what they do better than anyone else, and that is, of course, spice. Now, for me, growing up in Ireland, spice wasn't something that I was hugely accustomed to, but it's something that I have grown to absolutely love. And to me, Thai food encapsulates the key to harnessing the power of using spice in a recipe. So, the green papaya salad is one of Thailand's most delicious spicy exports, and it's made using finely shredded, unripe papaya. And it combines what are the culinary trinity of 5 main tastes, and they are sour lime, hot chili, salty savoury fish sauce, and sweetness that comes from palm sugar. Nowadays, in a country which sees over 39 million international tourists every year, it's very common practice for the customer to indicate just how hot they would enjoy their dish. But this is something that I learned the hard way on my very first day in Bangkok. Do you have any milk? But the intense, fiery heat of the Thai chilies were no match for what would become a bit of an addiction on my travels, and I would go on to order the papaya salad or som tam in pretty much every city that I visited. And the delicious combination of hot, sour, salty and sweet embodied for me the essence of Thailand and has made it a Thai treasure to me. We're going to need more of these. And now, to a dish that has Thai right in the name, the pad Thai. Now, pad thai is a medley of rice noodles, bean sprouts, egg, garlic chives, lime, chili, and crushed peanuts, all sauteed together in a delicious, tangy, salty and sweet sauce made with tamarind pulp and that famous palm sugar. And as with many of Thailand's most popular dishes, it is perfectly suited to the vibrant street food culture. And this welcoming sense of community and enjoying food together has certified Thailand as an ambassador for this new street food revolution. And now, from day and night markets to another altogether wholly traditional and very unique kind of market. Now, Thailand is famed for its crystal clear waters and extraordinary beaches, but its waterways also play host to a fascinating exotic world, and that is the world of floating markets. Communities settled in areas along the rivers and waterways and traded in goods and foods, and fresh vegetables and exotic fruit were brought from the nearby fields and trees to be traded and sold. Fruits such as the big jackfruit, mango, pineapple, fresh coconut, dragon fruit, and the infamous Durian fruit. Now, this is the Marmite of Southeast Asia, as Durian fruit is banned on many forms of public transport and in hotels. It's used in many desserts, and the Durian fruit's aroma evokes very strong reactions. Now, to some, it is sweet and pleasant, but to many, it's safe to say turpentine is a loose term. Thank you so much for joining me today on our trip east to Southeast Asia and in particular Thailand. I hope that you've enjoyed our video. I hope to see you again very soon.